Okay, welcome guys. I'm gonna be taking you through my weekly analysis. So starting with GBP JPY here on the daily time frame, what I can say I'm seeing is this uptrend line right here, something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something. So I see this channel right here. This is what I see. So my bias on GBP on GJ at the moment it's gonna be buys. I'm gonna be taking buys. So I'm just gonna wait to see a clear signal right here. So let's zoom into the lower time frame. Yeah, so on a lower time frame I see this. Actually, let's go to 2 hour. I see this sort of a trend line right here. Yeah, so you could say that's broken and still going up, but I want to see something more clear. I want to see something more clear. I want to see a clear break. I want to see a very clear break, then a pull, and then a pullback to pullback in another. So actually let me take it to a lower time frame. Yeah, a pullback nyana. I want to see it go up, then pull back, just to show it's on an uptrend. It's making higher highs and lower lows. That's where I'm gonna start taking part. For now, I'm gonna wait for more confirmation. I'm gonna wait. Patience, guys. You need patience. So I see it might be forming a uptrend line right here. So I'm gonna see how that works out, because there's a chance this is gonna be the new trend line upwards. So for now, on GBP JPY, I'm gonna be chilled. I'm gonna be chilled. Some people could say this was the break and the retest, but I want something more clear. I want something more clear. I don't just want to jump in. So let's go to Euro JPY. Here on daily on Euro JPY, seems like it's still going down. So here on daily, I'm just gonna assume the trend is still continuing down until proven wrong. So I'm just gonna continue trading with the downtrend. So let's switch down to a lower time frame. Actually, I think I have a trade right here. I see this downtrend right here, downtrend line right here. Just gonna remove that arrow here, and you can see price is kind of falling away of that. So I think I'm gonna take a sell right here, right now. I'm gonna take a sell, stop above the previous low, and then initial target. My take profit one is gonna be the previous high. So this is my initial target right here. And then when it hits my take profit, if it does, I'm just gonna take half of the profit and let the rest run and put my stop loss on break even. Yeah, this is actually a good trade. It looks good. Yeah, so let's continue. AU ticket. Let's go to daily. So on daily it's in this range right here. You can see it's in a range right here. It's in this range. So I don't trade ranges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a breakout, either in either direction. So it's either gonna go up, break, then retest, then go up. So if it does that, I'm gonna enter right here when it comes back, and my stop below halfway through the range, and then halfway through the range, then initial targets 1:1. I take 1:1 for initial targets, then put my stop loss at break even and let the rest run. Yeah. Or what might happen is this thing might break out on the downside. And retest here. Before taking off down. So I'm gonna for now I'm just gonna relax and wait for it to show me what it wants to do, and then do as it tells me. Like, I trade what I see. I don't try to anticipate what's gonna happen. I trade what I see. So if it breaks and retest, I'm entering on a sell. If it breaks and retest, I'm entering on a buy. So that's it for USD CAD. For now, I'm just gonna be out of this. I mean AUD CAD. Now I'm just gonna be out of this pair since it's consolidating. I don't wanna trade while it's consolidating. So GBP AUD on daily we are going down. It's on a very strong downtrend. So I don't wanna trade against that. My bias is down. I'm just gonna be taking sales on this. So I kind of want, because how I trade is I draw a clear trend line and wait on a retest of that trend line. So what I can see here is that we have sort of this trend line right here. Something like that. So I'm just gonna wait on a pullback right here. Pullback, then take sales. Stop loss above the previous high, and then take profit somewhere here on the previous low. Yeah. So that's it for GBP AUD. That's it. So for GBP NZD, I think it's the same, pretty much the same as GBP AUD. Yeah. So we are on a very strong downtrend. You don't want to trade against the trend. Trust me, you don't want to trade against the trend. So on 4 hour, I see this trend line right here. Something like that. So I'm just gonna wait on a pullback to the trend line, and then take a sell. Simple as that. Simple as that. Something like this. So this can be anywhere, guys. It can retest here, it can retest here, it can retest here. So it's not like I'm gonna wait exactly for this price. What I'm waiting for is a retest, and when it shows me that it's starting to fall away, I'm just gonna enter a sell right there. So this is my strategy, very simple. So my stop loss somewhere here, then my take profit at 1:1. Yes, something like that. Something like that. So like as you can see, I'm more of a swing trader. I take long-term trades a lot. I take long-term trades a lot. Yeah. So USD at the moment on a daily, there's no direction. Like all I can see is that there's this. It seems like it's finding support on this trend line. It might do a double top right here. You can see this double tops here. It might go up or it might go down. So I'm just, for this one, I don't have a take for now on USD and you can see on lower time frame there's just a lot of. So what you can do to anticipate the sell and the buy, you can do it on a range right here. So if you wanna trade this thing, what I would do is I can see there's a range. There's this. Let me just clear out these other things. You can see there's sort of a range right here. Yeah. So you can do the same thing that we did on AUD CAD. Wait for a break and retest of that horizontal line, and then take a buy or a break to the downside and take a sell. So that's how I would trade a range. I wouldn't trade inside here. I wanna trade outside of the range, because if it comes out of the range on the upside, there's a very high possibility that it's gonna jump out to the upside, and if it breaks to the downside, there's a very high possibility that it's gonna jump down. If you can ever jump down, if there's that term. So Euro GBP here on daily, it seems like it's going up. So I'd assume it's going up until it meets this extreme high right here. So it's still going up. So let's see. So I see something like an uptrend right here. I see this uptrend. So I'll just wait for for price to hit this thing and start going up. Something simple like that. Yes. Yeah, that's what I'd wait for. I wouldn't take any trades somewhere here. I wanna take trades right here on the extremes, right here next to the trend line, because you can see every time it hits this trend line, goes up impulsively, it goes up impulsively, goes up impulsively. So I'm expecting the same right here. Then GBP CAD, I think it's the same thing. Like for GBP pairs, I'm seeing the same things, because for this pair, I'm seeing this downtrend. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take a sell right now. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take a sell. Stop somewhere here. And then take profit somewhere right here for 1:1. Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad, this wouldn't be a bad trade.